So let us check again. So on node 1 it is ORCL PDB is now in the read write mode, and let us check on node 2 as well. So on node 2 also guys, it is now in the read write mode. Okay, so guys, after your PDB cloning or migration is done, it is very important to check the PDB plugin violations. Okay, it is very important to see the output of this view. So guys, we are receiving some warning and some error messages. Okay, so so it is related to some interim patch. It is installed in the CDB but not in the PDB. Okay, so guys, actually currently we are at the uh, root CDB level. Okay, CDB dollar root. So we are in the root CDB. So here all the DB registry components are valid. Okay, and also focus on the RAC cluster status. It is valid at the CDB dollar root level. Okay, as you can see, we are at the CDB dollar root. So now I will switch to our PDB, that is ORCL PDB. So we need to use this command: alter session set container ORCL PDB. Okay, so now let us check the DB registry component status at the PDB level. Okay, this is very important guys. You need to check the DB registry component at both the root CDB level and at the PDB level. So here you can see the Oracle real application cluster status is option is off. So guys, this should be valid because this is a RAC cluster, and at the PDB level it is showing that the RAC cluster option is off. Okay, so to fix this guys, we need to run this command: execute dbms underscore cluster db dot validate. Okay, so it will validate the pluggable database. Okay, in the dbms underscore cluster db package. Okay, like that you can understand. So let us execute it. Remember to execute it at the PDB level. Okay, so we are connected currently at the PDB level, so I can run this command. So guys, this PL SQL procedure is successfully completed. Okay, so let us again check the DB registry component status. Okay, at the PDB level. Okay, so now you can see that the RAC component, real application cluster component, is now in the valid state. So this issue guys, it is fixed. Okay, and you can see that the spatial component is in loading status. Okay, so I will just ignore it for now guys, because it is a test environment. Okay, and let's see how many PDB plugin violations errors we are facing now. Okay, like earlier we were getting some patch related error. Okay, in the PDB plugin violations view. So let's check now. So guys, still we are getting some patch related. Okay, interim patch installed in the CDB but not in the PDB. It is resolved. Okay guys, so now it is in the resolved status. Let me just format it a little bit. So guys, you can see that the patch related, uh, error or warning that we were facing earlier, it is in the resolved status now. Okay, so once we fix that rack option of okay issue after executing the command uh, dbms cluster db.validate. Okay, so the patch related errors that we were facing earlier, they are now in the resolved state. Okay, basically we need to focus on the error messages. Okay, warning we can ignore, like this is not a you know like a big warning message. Manually we have already dropped the clone pdb user. Okay, so I don't think there will be any issue due to it. And also once again we can check the dba registry component at the pdb level. Okay, as you know that at the pdb level earlier, the rack lister option was showing as option off. Okay, so we can just cross check. Okay, so it is showing in the valid state. Okay, and this spatial component, it is showing as loading guys. Okay, so we can ignore it for now as it is the test environment. Okay, so I'm just ignoring it.